everyone, welcome to Travel Thai.
Today I'm gonna present you about giant rain tree. A giant rain tree specimen near Kanchanaburi of Thailand, known locally as Jamjuri yak. Jamjuri is the Thai name of the tree species, whereas yak is the Thai pronunciation of yaksa, a mystical demon, referring in this context to the monstrous shape of the tree. The name rain tree was coined in tropical India, especially Bengal. Its origin in the moisture that collects on the ground under the tree. Lastly, the honeydew-like dishes of cicadas feeding on the leaf. This giant tree is about 15 kilometers from the center of town. Close by is Wat Tham Muni Nath, hidden inside the Royal Thai Army Division of Veterinary and Agriculture. Is this giant rain tree? You might not believe why. A 20 meter tall single rain tree, aged older than 100 years, with a trunk large enough to be encircled by 10 people. Feature a shady canopy that is measure 51.75 meters in diameter. The average radius of its crown is 25.87 meters, which means its crown over an area of 2,416 square meters. You can see and take a photo with giant rain tree in every day from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.